Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, in the last class, we have completed explanation to this chapter 5 of Science for grade 6, Separation of Substances. We learned about the various methods of separation, all the 9 methods, and we did many activities to show this separation like the sedimentation and decantation, the magnetic separations, the evaporation process, etc. Now in this lesson, let's start with doing the exercises. So all of you open page number 81. Let's start doing the multiple choice questions A. First question, we need to separate a mixture to remove harmful components, to remove undesirable components, C, to obtain useful components, D, all of the above. Yes, the option is D, all of the above. 2. The method of separating seeds of paddy from their stalks is called dash. Sieving, threshing, winnowing or magnetic separation? Yes, it is C. Threshing. Third question. Dash is used to separate a mixture of wheat and husk? Yes, is it sieving, winnowing, threshing or magnetic separation? Yes, there is difference in weight, so it is winnowing. Fourth question. Salt is obtained from sea water by the process of dash? Yes, it is through evaporation. Option C. Fifth question. Impurities settled down at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. Which method of separation is used in this example? Is it sedimentation, decantation, filtration, or both A and B? Yes, it is sedimentation and decantation. That is option D, both A and B. Sixth question, a mixture of mustard oil and water can be separated by sublimation, filtration, separating funnel or evaporation. Yes, it is option B, separating funnel. B, fill in the blanks. First question, a dash is made up of only one kind of particles while a dash is made up of two or more components. Yes, a pure substance is made up of one kind and mixture is made up of two components. Question number 2, a dash solution is one in which no more solute can be dissolved. Yes, it is a saturated solution. Third question, the mixture having components of dash sizes are separated by the process of sieving. Yes, it is different sizes. Fourth question, separating funnel is used to separate two dash liquids. Just now we discussed it is immiscible liquids like oil and water. Fifth one, the solution in which more solute can still be dissolved is called an dash solution. Yes, it is called an unsaturated solution. Sixth question, the amount of sugar which can be dissolved in water dash with the increase of temperature. Yes, it increases with the increase of temperature. Done, children? Now next, C, alternative response types. State true or false. First question, the heavy solid particles which settle down at the bottom during decantation are called filtrate. Is it? No, it is false. When it is done through filter, it is called filtrate. Second question, the material left behind during the process of filtration is called residue. Yes, it is true. State yes or no. First question, can sand grains be used as a filter? Yes, it is true. It can be done. Second, can two immiscible liquids be separated by filtration? Yes. State right or wrong. The mixtures having more than two components are separated using more than one method. Is it right? Yes, it is right. Second, iron fillings and sawdust can be separated by magnetic separation. Yes, it is right. D, analogy type. First, separation of solid from liquid is filtration. Similarly, separating the liquid component of a mixture is called sedimentation and decantation. E, very short answer type questions. Let's write down. First question, name the process used to separate salt from seawater. Yes, the process is called evaporation. Second, name the method used to pick up iron objects from garbage. Yes, it is through magnetic separation. Third question, name the process by which clear fluid is transferred to another vessel when heavy particles get settled down. Yes, it is through sedimentation and decantation. Fourth question, define evaporation. Yes, you can write the process of conversion of liquid phase of a substance into its vapor phase is called evaporation. Fifth question, what do you understand by filtration? Answer, filtration is a process by which insoluble solids can be separated from liquid using filters. Sixth question, what is the basis of using sieving as a method of separation? Yes, the constituents of the mixture should have different sizes. Seventh question, name the process used to separate common salt and sugar. Yes, we can separate it through sieving. Next, F. Short answer type questions. 1. What is the difference between saturated and unsaturated solutions? Answer. Saturated solution side you can write the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is called saturated solution. In the unsaturated we can write the solution in which some more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is called unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution, more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. Second question, classify pure substances and mixture from the following: water, salt, air, sugar, gold, sea water. Yes, pure substances are water, soil, sugar, gold, and air, sea water, etc. are mixtures. Third question, name the method used for separation of the following mixture: wheat and husk, B. Sand and iron fillings, C. Cream and milk, D. Cooking oil and water. Yes, A. Wheat and husk can be separated through winnowing, sand and iron fillings through magnetic separation, cream and milk through centrifugation, cooking oil and water through separating funnel. Fourth question, while preparing lemonade, you need to mix sugar, water, lemon juice and ice. When will you add ice? Before or after dissolving sugar, and why? Answer, will add ice after dissolving sugar because the solubility of sugar in water reduces with the decrease in temperature. Fifth question, why do we need water filters at our homes? Answer, we need water filters at our homes because many impurities may dissolve in water. They should be separated from water before drinking. G. Long answer type questions. First question, why do we need to separate mixtures? Answer, we need to separate mixtures because to remove the undesirable or harmful components, for example, small pieces of stone from the rice or pulses. Second, to remove the impurities as to obtain pure sample of a substance which can be used or is needed in medicine, research, etc. Third, to separate useful components of a mixture so that each component can be properly used. For example, petrol, diesel, all useful components of crude oil. Second question, how will you separate a mixture of sugar, sand and iron nails? Yes, a mixture of sugar, sand and iron nails, first we have to separate it through magnetic separation method. Separate the iron nails from mixture of sugar and sand. Then if the sugar particles are of bigger size, then use sieving. Choose the proper sieve and put sand and sugar mixture in it. Sand will pass through the sieve and sugar will remain on the sieve. If sugar particles are also very small, add water to the mixture and stir it well. Sugar will get dissolved and sand will settle down as sediment, and this solution can be separated by decantation. Done. Question number 3. How is evaporation different from condensation? Answer. Evaporation is the reverse process of condensation. In evaporation, mixture absorb the heat and change from liquid to vapor state. For example, water and salt solution. In condensation, the mixture give out heat to surrounding and change from vapor to liquid state For example, water vapor condensed to water droplets. Fourth question, define the following. A, pure substance. Pure substance meaning any substance which has no impurities added to it. B, mixture. It is a combination of two or more substances. C, evaporation. It is the process of conversion of liquid phase into vapor phase by absorbing the heat. D, sedimentation. Settling down of the heavier elements in a mixture of liquid and insoluble impurity is called sedimentation. E, threshing. It is the process of separating dried grass from the grains by beating with heavy stone. F, hand picking. Picking up of small stones or impurities by hand from the given mixture is called hand picking. Done. Fifth question. Name the method used to separate sand and water. Draw a neat level diagram of the process used. Children, we have to make the diagram, and given the diagram like this, we can follow it. Now, sixth question. Name the process used to separate a few grass leaves which have got mixed with mint leaves. Why was this particular method adopted? Answer. The process used to separate a few grass leaves which have got mixed with mint leaves is hand picking. This method is adopted because the given leaves are very few and they are different in size, shape and color. The size of the two leaves is also quite different. Hence, it is easy to recognize and separate the grass leaves from mint leaves by hand picking. Done, children? Hope all of you understood this lesson.